Welcome to our futuristic Hippo biofactory, where every detail is monitored for safety and efficiency.
Hi, today I'll show you step by step how Hippo synth cheese is created, from biogel to delicious cheese blocks.
Our expert team carefully examines and monitors the Hippo using advanced sensors and digital devices.
The Hippo enjoys a calm moment in its stall under the trainer's supervision.
The Hippo is guided into the examination and imaging room, where the medical team reassures and monitors it before starting the advanced tests.
Heart rate is stable, no irregularities.
Good, respiration is normal. Temperature within healthy range.
Blood pressure readings are optimal.
No signs of stress. All systems functioning perfectly.
All tests are clear. The Hippo is healthy and ready for the next stage.
Excellent. No issues detected anywhere.
Excellent. All vitals remain stable. Let's proceed with weight measurement.
Confirmed. No irregularities detected.
We are collecting the sample safely, all precautions in place.
Good, the Hippo is calm. No stress detected.
All systems are normal. Heart, temperature, and vitals are excellent.
The Hippo is being safely transferred to the initial production platform.
All vitals remain stable. The animal is calm and ready.
The Hippo is being safely sanitized with warm steam inside the containment unit.
To ensure complete hygiene before a gentle.
The extraction is proceeding safely. All vitals remain stable.
Excellent. The procedure is stress-free and fully monitored.
Full body scan is underway. All systems are stable. Excellent. The Hippo remains calm and comfortable.
Good job. Here's a treat for you.
Look at how active and healthy the Hippo is.
All vitals remain perfect. It's responding well and enjoying the water.
Good job. Keep swimming.
Dental examination underway. Teeth and gums are healthy.
No issues detected. The Hippo is relaxed throughout the check.
Good job. Stay calm.
Enjoyed watching our Hippo adventure? Hit the like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes fun.
The Hippo is hydrated and comfortable, ready for the next stage.
Steady and controlled, the blood sample is being collected safely.
Vitals are stable and the Hippo is calm. Excellent cooperation.
Good job, almost done.
Lift speed steady, maintain gentle elevation.
Scanner operating within safe parameters. Hippo is calm.
Good, just relax.
Lowering slowly, maintain smooth motion. Vitals stable, Hippo remains calm.
Almost there. Good job.
Electrodes are in place, readings are stable.
Heart rate steady, all vitals within normal parameters.
Good, almost done. Stay calm.
Steady and controlled. Leg sample collected safely.
Vitals stable. Hippo remains calm.
Tail vein access secured. Drawing sample now.
All vitals stable. Minimal stress observed.
Saliva sample collected successfully. Minimal stress.
Data registering clearly on the display.
Urine sample successfully collected via automated device.
Vitals remain normal, procedure smooth.
Tubes are secured, monitoring fluids and vitals in real time.
Readings are stable. Keep the flow gentle and steady.
Good job. Stay calm.
Sample collected successfully. Analysis shows 100% purity and quality. Milk is safe and perfect.
Good job.
All tubes secured. Extraction proceeding smoothly. Vitals stable. Milk flow consistent. Sample collected successfully. Analysis shows 100% purity and quality. Milk is safe and perfect.
Good job.
All containers filled and sealed. Milk is ready for the next stage of production.
Milk is gently heated to eliminate unwanted bacteria, preserving quality.
Starter cultures and rennet are added to initiate curd formation.
Curds are carefully cut to release whey and form the basis of Parmesan. Curds are gently cooked and stirred to reach perfect firmness. Whey is separated, leaving behind solid curd mass ready for molding. Curds are molded into traditional Parmesan shapes under precise pressure. Cheese wheels are pressed to remove excess whey and start aging process. Cheese absorbs salt gradually, enhancing flavor and preserving quality. Cheese ages under precise conditions for months, developing flavor and texture. Final quality check ensures perfect Parmesan before packaging. The outer layer starts to firm, creating the initial protective rind that prevents unwanted bacteria. Rotation prevents uneven salt pockets and guarantees uniform penetration across all surfaces of the cheese.
This represents osmosis, salt gradually shaping texture, tightening proteins, and enhancing umami flavor.
Moving brine prevents stagnation and ensures salt concentration stays perfectly balanced.
High salt environment naturally kills harmful microbes, protecting the wheels during this vulnerable phase.
Too short results in undersalted, too long is overly salty. Timing is crucial to achieve the signature Parmesan taste.
Clean brine prevents defects and keeps the salt transfer process pure and controlled. After the brine bath, each cheese wheel enters the controlled drying chamber, where excess surface moisture begins to evaporate. Temperature and airflow are precisely controlled to ensure an even and consistent surface dry. Advanced sensors scan each wheel to verify perfect moisture levels before aging. Robotic handlers flip each wheel to guarantee uniform drying on all sides.
Once the surface is dry and fully stabilized, the cheese is ready to enter the long aging phase.
The cheese enters the aging hall, where controlled temperature and humidity begin shaping its signature character.
Airflow is precisely calibrated to maintain perfect moisture balance during the first days of aging. Advanced sensors analyze every wheel, ensuring the aging process remains perfectly stable. Acoustic testing reveals the density and internal structure of each wheel, confirming even maturation. Over months, the cheese slowly matures, developing the rich, intense flavor of premium Hippo Parmesan.
Filtered air is used to remove the finest particles, achieving a perfectly clean rind.
Robotic pads polish the surface, giving the cheese a smooth, refined finish.
Advanced surface mapping ensures the rind is flawless and structurally perfect before cutting.
A light protective coating is applied to seal the rind and preserve quality during distribution.
Wheels are carefully positioned and cut into uniform portions for consistent quality. Each portion is gently transferred to the packaging line, preserving shape and integrity. Portions are wrapped and sealed to maintain freshness, ready for shipment.
Packaged cheese is carefully loaded into trucks for distribution.
Cheese is now ready to reach markets worldwide, completing the production journey.
Enjoyed watching our Hippo adventure? Hit the like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes fun.